Hello there, I'm Melvin Wong. And if you're taking this course, chances are you already know what is WhatsApp and you like to learn how to use it for your business. So in this course, I will teach you exactly that. First, let's look at what is the difference between the WhatsApp business app compared to the typical WhatsApp that we use. First of all, it is a totally separated app from WhatsApp. So you have to go and install a different app for WhatsApp business. And the purpose of this app is to allow you to communicate with your customers who are already using WhatsApp. So it is like a concierge service that you want to offer to your customers, where they can ask you questions, they can ask for support, and a lot more. It is a communication tool for you to engage and communicate with your customers via the WhatsApp platform. It has all the features of the typical WhatsApp, plus extra business features such as you can have your own business profile, you can label your chat messages, you can have shortcuts, and a lot more, which I will cover all of that. But the sad thing now is that this WhatsApp business app only supports Android platform, not iOS. So if you're using an iOS phone now, you have to go and get an Android phone in order to install WhatsApp business. Also, you need to have a separate phone number. Now, you cannot use the existing phone number that you currently use for your WhatsApp. You have to use a different number. Each app supports a separate unique number. So you may need to go and get a new SIM card for this, and also a separate phone. And you could only associate one phone number for a business, which means that it is a one-person job. You cannot have multiple people replying messages to your customers. And this single app is installed on a single phone. So you have to get a dedicated person in charge of this job. You can only chat with those people which you have their phone number, or their phone numbers which are already inside your phone's contact list. In other words, you cannot spam people, which definitely WhatsApp doesn't want you to do that. So you must have some sort of prior communication with a customer in order for you to engage with them on WhatsApp business. So for example, if you have a new customer sending you an inquiry to your WhatsApp business, you can of course reply the person. But you cannot send any messages to them unless they contact you first. Remember that you must have prior communication with your customer. Best of all, WhatsApp business is free. Well, at least is currently free. So that's the beauty of it right now. So it is best for you to take advantage of this service.